Step 1 is to go to youtube.com where you can find various videos to view and then click on any of these videos. Step 2, once you are on the video, make sure you watch at least 30 seconds of it, and step 3, boom, you have made money. Examine this out. These are all genuine payment evidence from the folks all over the world. They pay a lot of money for every video they watch. Here is how much money you can make from this. You can make around like $3 just by watching one video, and if you are watching like 10 videos, 10 YouTube videos, you're gonna make around $30, and you can earn $150 every single day if you're watching 50 videos. You may just repeat this as many times as you want to keep making money. This is an entirely legal and cost-free solution. You may watch it from any countries in the world. All you need right now is a smartphone or a computer. I will show you few instances as well as what videos you can watch. So stay tuned and keep watching to the end. But first, welcome to the Digital Nomad. I am Sid, where we teach how to make money online the easy way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified anytime we release any new video on how to make money online. You can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any issues, questions or comments about it, please leave a comment down below. Now let's return to the video. In this video, I will show you how you can watch easy YouTube videos like these right here and earn up to $3 for each video you watch. One thing you can notice is you can search by based on the best performing videos. In this video, I will show you a hidden approach that no one is talking about right now, such as music, sports, gaming, news, and so on. I would really personally consider gaming category because it's gonna gain a lot of people, like millions of people are viewing these videos on YouTube, and you have no idea how they can make a lot of money. I will show you how. That's how all these guys are making a lot of money from YouTube. Let me offer you the first bonus tip right now. I want you to concentrate on this video category, which is Call of Duty Warzone. This is one of the most popular games that is currently trending, and as you can see, the number of watchers is growing. Many people desire to these kind of gaming videos, and you may be among the first to do so if you click on this category, Call of Duty Warzone, where you may see a lot of similar videos. For example, if I click one of this video, it will send you to this page where there are live streamers and a large number of people are watching. There is a lot of demand for this type of video and a lot of options to make money straight on YouTube. So stay watching because I will teach you precisely how to make a lot of money from this type of video right here on YouTube. You can do this for a variety of YouTube videos in this category over and over again. We must proceed to the second website, which is 7r6.com. In order for you to convert these live streaming videos into genuine money. Essentially, this website allows you to shorten URL and convert them into real money. Don't worry, I will simplify things. It's a lot simpler than you think. If you stayed with this video until the finish, you could be making a lot more money right now. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Now let's return to the video. The idea is quite basic. Sign up for the free account on 7r6.com, then shorten the URL links of different YouTube videos, which I'll show you exactly how to do it in a moment. Third step, you might start making money right away. I would just like to show you one example how it works. For example, if you are watching this YouTube video, you may find the share button right here. From there, I want you to click the share button to discover a YouTube URL link for the specific game video. Then I want you to click the copy button. All you have to do is go to 7r6.com, paste the link into the box, and then click this tiny button, which is, as you can see, it will automatically shorten the long YouTube URL into a brand new special link. You will be compensated for each time someone clicks on this specific link. That's exactly how all of these people make a lot of money on this website every day. You can cash out your profits in your PayPal account or any other payment methods once you have earned them. So the first thing I want you to do is return to the main page, click onto the registration button that will take you to this page where you can sign up for a brand new membership. This is entirely free and this is available all across the world. Enter your username, email address, password, and then click on the register button after agreeing to the terms and services privacy policy. When you log into your account, you will see right here on your dashboard, the step 2 is like you click on the button which shorten the link, and that's where we'll copy and paste the YouTube URL link which can shorten. All we have to do right now is return to your YouTube video, click on the share button, copy the URL link, then return to the dashboard and paste the link directly into the box. I would like you to click on shorten button to see the shortened link. Step 3 is to return to the YouTube and repeat the process for up to 3 different videos. The more videos you copy the URL for, the more money you will make. The bonus tip I want you to share with you is that I want you to focus on a specific category because you will be making a lot of money, and I especially want you to focus on live streaming videos. For instance, I'm going to click on this video which will send me to the whole new live streaming videos. With this, many people watching the video, you are going to make a lot of money from it. We'll use the same method again. Select the share option, copy your link, navigate to 7r6.com, paste the second link. Now click on the shorten. You will see we have successfully shortened the second link. Remember that what I said, I just keep using the same method, can search for various videos. Now for the final step, I would like you to go to the steamcommunity.com, copy the URL. The URL link is then shortened. Right now, this is essentially a gaming internet platform where many people are discussing various techniques for playing various games, and there are simply so many different discussions going on. Many people are talking about this game, which is now trending and popular. Every day they receive millions upon millions of views. This will be your best chance to capitalize on this trend. You can make a lot of money from all of these YouTube videos if you combine the power of 7r6.com. Essentially, what you can do now is sign up for the free account on Steam Community. You can start with a trending topic, then you are going to receive a lot of hits. A lot of people will read your link, click on it and watch the video. So you are going to make money from every single click. From just one video, you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars. For those of you who are still watching, I have a secret bonus tip that will help you earn more money than other people. This will be the secret website that I'll never share with anyone, but for the time being, I would want to share it with you, the hidden website that is called Moot. This is a special topic where you can discover many people discussing this game, as well as numerous people submitting various images, photos and videos. As you can see, they are getting hundreds of thousands of views on Call of Duty gaming. I would want you to share this opportunity with you, especially focus on this area. Since you copy the URL to this type of video, which is live streaming or any other videos, you might get hundreds of thousands of views and make a lot of money. That is how all these guys so much money from all around the world for every single video they view. That's it guys for today. Before we go, subscribe to this channel, press the notification bell, hit the like button, because there are a lot of awesome people who are looking for the ways to make money online, and this is how you can reach. If you hit the like button, it will help YouTube algorithm to reach this video to a lot of audiences just like you who are awesome enough. Okay guys, I'll be ending this video. I will see you in the upcoming videos. Till then, see you, take care, bye bye.